Hi students. Uh, Today's class we will discuss foreign exchange dealings, right? So before going to solve some problem, we need to clear certain concepts for 2 marks some exam for these things. So foreign exchange dealings. That means what does this foreign exchange means for 2 marks? Foreign exchange means exchanging of one country's very easy to define. Foreign exchange means exchanging of one country's currency with the other country's currency. Say, for example, one sterling pound can be exchanged with US dollar 1.6. That means to buy one sterling pound, US dollar 1.6 has to be paid. That is the exchanging of one country's currency with the other country's currency is called foreign exchange. Right? For these things are repeatedly asked for 2 marks in your SEM exam. Right? Then what does foreign exchange rate means? Second definition, foreign exchange rate means the rate at which one country's foreign exchange rate means the rate at which one country's currency is being exchanged with the other countries. So only the rate is included with the prior definition. So foreign exchange rate means the rate at which one country's currency is exchanged with other country's currency. So that means to buy one US dollar, so the rate is 70.10 per US dollar. To buy one US dollar, you have to pay rupees 70. Right? That is the exchange rate between US dollar and Indian rupee. So this is the second definition. And one more thing in this particular concept, foreign exchange dealings, foreign exchange market. So this is the place, since market is being asked, foreign exchange market means it is the place where one country's currency is being exchanged with other countries So this is the third definition in today's class. Earlier, foreign exchange means exchanging of one country's currency with the other country's currency. Second thing is foreign exchange rate. That means the rate at which one country's currency is exchanged with the other country's currency. The third definition is foreign exchange market. Market in the sense it is the place where one country's currency is being exchanged with the other country's currency. So these are the three important definitions in this particular related to this particular concept. And the next definition and next two concept you need to know is, one thing is spot rate and another one is forward rate. So spot rate, the name itself suggests spot is the prevailing spot rate is nothing but prevailing market rate. Prevailing market rate means this moment's market rate for a certain currency for being exchanged with other countries' currency, right? So this is the prevailing market rate. That means as of now, exchange rate between French francs per US dollar may be 5.3210/40. We will solve certain problem related to same thing. Or before that, you need to know what does spot rate means. Spot rate is the prevailing market rate. That is the as of now. This moment's market rate, that is the exchange rate between US dollar and French francs. That means to buy 1 US dollar, you have to pay French francs 5.3240. This is called two-way quotation, and you all are well aware that two-way quotation includes both bid and ask price. So bid price is always lower than ask price. So lower is 5.3210, that is the bid price, and 5.3240, that is greater than 5.3210, is called as ask price. And the difference between ask and bid is called as spread, right? We have calculated this thing in earlier class also. So spot rate means prevailing market rate, and forward rate or forward contract means delivery of certain currency delivery of certain amount or volume, certain volume or certain amount of currency on specific future date at predetermined price. So this price is nothing but exchange rate between two currencies, right? So forward rate is nothing but it is the anticipated future price of a currency. So anticipation in the sense it is related to future. So forward rate, say for example, if you go to ICICI Bank and you ask for exchange between $1,000 with the Indian rupee ICICI after 6 months, so you may enter into a contract with the ICICI Bank saying after 6 months I will give you $1,000, and can you give me can you give me a rupee at the rate of 75 per dollar after 6 months. That means you are determining the future exchange rate today itself, right? So that is called as forward rate or forward contract. That is the anticipated future rate, or it is the future rate predetermined today itself. It is called as forward rate. So now we will solve some problem related to foreign exchange dealings, right? Quite easy to solve. So the problem is problem number 1. Find out outright rate for French francs, also called as FFR, and US dollar. Spot rate, that is prevailing market rate, is French franc per US dollar is 5.2321 oblique 2340. Swap points given in the problem: 1 month 25 oblique 20, 3 months 40 oblique 32, and 6 months 20 oblique 26. And in the question they have also asked that and also calculate spread and spread percentage. So please do copy this problem. So they have asked that calculate outright rate. Outright rate is nothing but forward rate. So forward rate, they have given certain forward points, or they also called as swap point, which may be given by the banker. So 1 month swap point is 25 oblique 20, 3 months is 40 oblique 32, and 6 months is 20 oblique 26. And they have provided us the spot rate, and these four digits after an integer is called as pips. This is also 2 marks concept. It is called as pips, last 4 digits. So we will solve this problem. So spot rate given in the problem is, so it is given that French francs per US dollar is 5.2321 oblique 2340, right? So that means 5.2321 and 5.2340. The 5.2321 is lower than 5.2340. That is the two-way quotation, which the lower means that is the bid price. Bid price is 5.2321 and ask price is 5.2340. These four digits are called as pips, and that is after an integer. 5.2321 is one price, 5.2321 is one price, and 5.2340 is another price given in the single quotation, also called as two-way quotation. Both the bid and ask price are given, right? To calculate spread, so for the spread formula, you all are aware that spread is equals to ask minus bid, right? In this case, 5.2321 minus 5.2340, sorry, 5.2340 minus 5.2321. So spread is 0.0019, right? Now, also calculate spread percentage. Spread percentage formula, it is given that ask minus bid divided by ask price multiplied by 100, right? So, it is 0.03%. So first you need to calculate spread and spread percentage. Spread, to calculate spread, the formula is ask minus bid, and spread percentage ask minus bid divided by ask price multiplied by 100. Then they have given 1 month swap rate. 1 month forward point or 1 month swap point given in the problem is 25/20, right? 1 month swap is 25/20. While reading from left to right, 25 and 20. So 25 is greater than 20. That is, it is in a decreasing way, right? 25/20. So if it is in decreasing order while reading from left to right, you have to deduct the 1 month 1 month swap. So that is 0.0025 and 0.0020. Only last two digits you have to adjust with. So the answer is 5.2321 minus 0.0025 is equals to 5.2320, right? Now, this is the 1 month forward rate. So spread will be ask minus bid, that is 5.2320 minus 4.9821, comes to 0.2499, and 1 month spread percentage ask minus bid, that is 5.2320 minus 4.9821 divided by ask price, that is 5.2320 multiplied by 100, right? That is 4%. Maybe calculation might be something went wrong. 5.2321 minus 0.0025 comes to 5.2296. 5.2296 and 5.2320 ask minus bid 5.2296 is equals to 0.0024 divided by ask price, that is 5.2320 multiplied by 100 is 0.04%, right? So this is 1 month forward rate. 1 month forward rate bid is 5.2296 and ask price after 1 month is 5.2320. So spread is ask minus bid, that is 0.0024. Spread percentage, that is ask minus bid divided by ask into 100 is 0.04%. Likewise, again you have to calculate 3 months forward rate. And everything should be adjusted with the spot price only, not with the 1 month forward rate or 3 months forward rate. So you have to adjust all the swap point with spot rate itself. Fine. So spot after 3 months, 3 months 3 months forward rate, forward swap or 3 month swap point is given as, in the problem it is 40/32, right? So 40/32, while reading from left to right, again if you read it from this side to this side, left to right, again it is in decreasing order. If it is in decreasing order, again you have to deduct it with the spot rate less 3 month swap 0.0040/0.0032. Answer will be 3 months outright rate or forward rate, right? So it is 5.2321 minus 0.0040 comes to 5.2281 is the bid price, and 5.2340 minus 0.0032 is 5.2308. So spread percentage is ask minus bid, that is 5.2308 minus 5.2281 is the spread is 0.0027, and the spread percentage ask minus bid divided by ask 5.2308 into 100 comes up to 0.05%. So this is 3 months forward rate. So 3 months swap point is given as 40/32. That is, while reading from left to right, it is in decreasing order. So if it is in decreasing order, you have to deduct it from the spot rate, not from the 1 month forward rate. If you deduct it from the spot rate, you will get 3 months forward rate or outright rate. Now, calculate 6 months, right? 6 months swap point is given as 6 months swap is given as 20/26. Again, while reading from left to right, 20 is this side, 26. it is in increasing order, right? So if it is in increasing order while reading from left to right, you have to add the thing, add the swap point, add 6 months swap point, that is 0.0020 oblique 0.0026. So it is 5.2341. This is 5.2366. Now the spread ask minus bid. Ask is 5.2366 minus 5.2341 is 0.0025 is the spread, and spread percentage 0.04%. And the answer is use 6 months forward rate or 6 months outright rate, right? So the thing to remember in today's class is, if the swap point or forward point is increasing order, then you have to add it to the spot rate. If it is in decreasing order from left to right while reading from left to right, you have to deduct it from the spot rate. In next class we will solve some more problems. So in today's problem we have seen that the spot rate is given as French francs per US dollar. That means 1 US dollar is equals to 5.2321 French francs and 5.2340. There are two prices included in single quotation called two-way quotation. The two prices are both ask and bid price. So we need to segregate it as a bid price and ask price, and the spread is ask minus bid. Spread formula is ask minus bid. Spread percentage is ask minus bid divided by ask price multiplied by 100. So with this we will conclude today's session. Thank you.